Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to change the ringtone on this device. Simply go to your settings and here you can see the option sounds and vibration. Tap on this one. Here you can see the option ringtone. Tap on this one. Here you can see lots of inbuilt ringtone. So according to your choice, you can select any one from here. So in case if you want to set a ringtone from your device that you downloaded, tap on the plus icon on the top right side and it will directly go to your mp3 folder, and from here you can easily select the ringtone. Here I am going to select this one. Now go back. This one, tap on done. Here you can see the ringtone is changed. So you can customize the ringtone to make your phone sound unique when someone calls. So simply in this way we can change the ringtone on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.